Hello everyone. Today I'm just making this video to to answer the query of those parents who have asked me that how we are going to work on syllabus modification, or how we can explain complex passages to our children. Okay, so there is one concept called as syllabus modification, wherein we are trying to modify the concept according to the level and the understanding of the child. Okay, for example, in the syllabus, like in your child's chapter, so if there is a passage English chapter, if there is a passage like this, so this is a passage of a farmer whose wagon gets stuck, and he is not so you know this passage, right? You know the story of a farmer, that and the moral of the story is God helps those who helps themselves, right? So this is the very lengthy passage. Okay, so our children definitely find it very overwhelming and very difficult to understand this level of passage. So how are we going to make it easier for the child? For that I'm making a video. Okay, just a second. So now see, for kids who can still understand to some extent, so this is kind of, I would say, medium kind of a level. Okay, medium, which is not very hard and which is not very easy, still the child will be able to understand. So you have to make the passages according to the level of the child. Okay, so this is the passage. Okay, so just the key points, once there was not just the key points but little more detail of the passage. Okay, but in a very precise manner. Okay, there was a farmer, and this is the the way how you can do a medium level of passage. Okay, if this your child can understand, give this type of passages, make it, just reduce or just ignore all the difficult words which you feel that the child doesn't have a vocabulary of, which the child will not understand, which is very abstract for the child to understand. Just try to write very easier synonyms to those words. Like for example, here it is written Hercules, right? So don't write Hercules, just give a simple example, just write it God. Okay, this is medium. Now next is easy level. This is a point system. Okay, where you are just writing the words, I mean the sentences, the key sentences in the point system. Okay, there was a farmer, he was going on the bullock cart on rainy day. His cart wheel got stuck. He started crying. God came and said, don't cry, try to push the cart. So the farmer pushed, and the cart came out of the mud. Okay, so this is a very easy level. Okay, if you feel that this is again something which the child won't understand, you can also make it like this. Okay, like a sequence. Okay, farmer, just the keywords we are using: farmer, wheel got stuck. You can also draw the pictures also. If the child cannot understand, draw the pictures. Okay, farmer, draw the picture of a small farmer, wheel got stuck. Okay, the farmer started crying, then did not help. Okay, God came and God said, push cart. So farmer pushed the cart was free, farmer was happy. So this kind. Okay, so according to the child's level and the understanding, you can definitely reduce the complexity of the complex passages and make it very easier, much easier for the child to understand. Okay, and then you, after explaining, then you make the WH questions or the worksheets based on that passage. Okay.